नमस्कार मित्रों, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से स्वागत है मेरे चैनल ज्ञान पाठशाला में। आज के वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे एडिशन ऑफ फ्रैक्शंस, एडिशन ऑफ लाइक फ्रैक्शंस, एडिशन ऑफ अनलाइक फ्रैक्शंस एंड एडिशन ऑफ मिक्स्ड नंबर्स। So to learn this, I'll take some example. You know that like fractions are those fractions which are having the similar denominators or same denominators. So if I say add 5 by 7 and 1 by 7. So these two are the like fractions because the denominator in these two, that is 7, is same and the numerators are different. Whenever we have to add, so how will we doing it? 5 by 7 plus 1 by 7. These two like fractions. The method is we'll write the denominator once and then we'll add these two numerators like this, and so the answer would be 6 upon 7. Addition of like fractions. Again, these two are like fractions. The denominator of both of these two is 8, which is same. So to add 3 by 8 and 2 by 8, we write denominator 8 like this. Numerator 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 by 8. This is how the like fractions have to be added. Let's take another example. If I have to add 5 by 9 and 7 by 9, these two again are like fractions. Reason being the denominator is same, that is 9. The method is I write 9 as denominator. I write 5 plus 7 is 12 upon 9. Now here we shouldn't leave the answer at this point. Reason being we can further reduce this fraction. How can we do that? We can divide both the numerators and denominator with the same number and simplify the fraction. In my previous videos we have talked about simplification. So in this case the numerator and we need to keep in mind that whenever we have to divide the numerator and denominator, we need to divide the numerator and denominator with the same number. The fraction will not be affected if we are dividing the numerator and denominator with the same number, or we are multiplying the numerator and denominator with the same number. So in this case, for simplifying, we will be dividing the numerator and denominator with the same number. So we can see that both of these are divisible by the number 3. So let's take 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So the simplified form of this is 4 by 3. We will not leave it further. Reason, this is an improper fraction. And whenever the fraction is improper, we need to convert it into a mixed number. And how do we convert into a mixed number? We always divide. I'll show you in the rough work. We divide the numerator by the denominator like this. 3 1s 3, remainder is 1. And to convert it into mixed number, we write the denominator, we write the quotient, we write the remainder, and this is the final answer. So if I have to add 5 by 9 and 7 by 9, both are the like fractions, but after adding the numerators, we need to further simplify the fraction which we have received, and after simplifying further, if it is improper, we need to convert it into the mixed number. And so this is the final answer. So we have learned how to add like fractions. Now let's talk about how to add unlike fractions. So for adding unlike fractions are those fractions where the denominator is not same. So for adding unlike fractions, first of all, let's take an example. Now in this case, these two fractions are unlike fractions because the denominator is not same. So whenever we need to add two unlike fractions, the method is, first of all, we'll have to make them the like fractions, or we'll have to convert them to a like fraction, and then only we can add. So how or what is the method to do this? We will, as I told you earlier in my previous videos, what we'll do, we will make the denominators of both of these numbers same, and for that what we need to do, we need to find the LCM of the two denominators. So two denominators are 4 and 5. If I have to find the LCM, I will take 2 to the 4, 5, I'll take 2 1s are 2, 5, I'll take 5 1s 5. So the LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 5, which is equal to 20. 2 to the 4 into 5, 20. So now we need to make the denominators of these two unlike fractions equal to 20, and what we need to do, we know that if I multiply 4 by 5, I'll get 20, but whenever in a fraction I have to multiply the denominator with the number, I have to multiply the numerator also with the same number. So 1 upon 4 is equal to 4 multiplied by 5. So I'll multiply 1 also with 5 and I'll get 5 by 20. The fraction equivalent to 1 by 4 is 5 by 20. Similarly, 1 by 5 equal to, I'll multiply the denominator 5 with 4 to get 20. So 5 into 4. So I'll be multiplying numerator also with the same number. So I'll get 4 upon 20. So then fraction which is equivalent to 1 by 4 is 5 by 20. The fraction which is equivalent to 1 by 5 is 4 by 20. So now instead of adding 1 by 4 and 1 by 5, I'll be adding 5 by 20 and 4 by 20. So 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 5 equal to 5 upon 20 plus 4 upon 20. In place of 1 upon 1 by 4, I have written 5 by 20. In place of 1 by 5, I have written 4 by 20 because they are the equivalent fractions. Now when I have to add these two, the simple method is, since the denominators are same, I'll write the denominator like this, and I'll add 5 plus 4, which is 9 by 20. So the addition of two unlike fractions 1 by 4 and 1 by 5 is 9 by 20. This is the answer. So this is how we have to add the unlike fractions. To add two unlike fractions, first of all we have to convert them to like fractions, and then we have to work further. For converting them to like fractions, that means getting a fraction equal to them. We need to find a LCM, as I told. So that is how we do. Let's take another example. And now if I have to add these two unlike fractions, again I need to take LCM of the denominators because the denominators are not same. I'll take the LCM. Two into 2 into 3, LCM is 12. So I have got the LCM of 4 and 6 as 12. Once I have got this LCM, I need to make the denominators of both of these fractions as 12, and then we will further work. So I have got LCM as 12, as you saw the calculation we did just now. And now we need to convert this. So let's take 3 by 4. And I know that if I have to get the denominator as equal to 12, that means I need to multiply the denominator 4 with 3. But then if I have to multiply the denominator with 3, I'll be multiplying the numerator also with the same number. So 4 into 3 and 3 into 3 is equal to 9 upon 12. Similarly, take another fraction 5 by 6. To get 12 as denominator, I'll be multiplying the denominator with 2. And if I'll be multiplying the denominator with 2, I'll be multiplying numerator also with 2. So 5 to the 10 on 12. So I have got two fractions. 9 by 12 is equivalent to 3 by 4. 10 by 12 is equivalent to 5 by 6. Since I have multiplied the numerator and denominator in both cases with the same number, that is why the fraction is the equivalent fraction, and now they have become the like fractions. So the 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6 as we need to do is as same as 9 by 12 plus 10 by 12. Reason being they are equivalent fractions. Now put 12 down. 9 plus 10, which is 19 upon 12. Now we know that this is an improper fraction. We need to convert, or we need to convert it into a mixed number. For converting into mixed number, the very simple formula, we'll divide 19 with 12. 12 ones are 12. 7 is the remainder. So the mixed number is, we'll write denominator as it is, we'll write quotient over here, we'll write remainder here, and this is the final answer. One whole number 7 by 12. 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6 is equal to one whole number 7 by 12. This is how we add unlike fractions. Next comes the addition of mixed numbers. Supposing I have to add two mixed numbers, then how we will be doing it. Let's take another example where I have to add one whole number 1 by 5 and one whole number 3 by 5. These two are the mixed numbers and I have to add them. So to add two mixed numbers, there are two ways. One way is let's separate the whole number. This is a one whole number 1 by 5, one whole number 3 by 5. So let's add the whole number part, that is 1 plus 1 equal to 2, keep it separate, and then add 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5. By the way, these two are the like fractions. So 5 is the denominator. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 upon 5. So finally, one whole number 1 by 5 plus one whole number 3 by 5 is equal to 4 by 5, and 2 is the whole number. 2 whole number 4 by 5. This is how we can add two mixed numbers. This is one method, right? There is another method. To add two mixed numbers. I'll tell you just now. Another method of adding two mixed numbers, where we first convert the mixed number to an improper fraction and then we add them. So for this case, one whole number 1 by 5, if I have to convert it into an improper fraction, I'll multiply 5 into 1. So the denominator will come here like this. I'll multiply this denominator with the quotient or the whole number. So 5 into 1, and then this remainder will be added. It will become 5 plus 5 into 5 plus 1, 6 upon 5. Then one whole number 3 by 5. In this case, 5 is the denominator. 5 denominator will be multiplied by whole number or the quotient. So 5 into 1 plus the remainder part. So this is 5 1 5 plus 3, 8 upon 5. And now we'll add one whole number 1 by 5 plus one whole number 3 by 5 equal to 6 by 5 plus 8 by 5. Now these two are like fractions, so we'll take 5 as denominator, 8 and 6, 14 upon 5. Now it's an improper fraction, so we'll convert it into mixed number. How? 5 2s are 10 and remainder is 4. So 2 whole number 4 by 5. So addition of these two will be coming. The previous method was also giving the same answer. This method will also give the same answer, but there are two methods to add two mixed numbers, two or more mixed numbers. Take another example. Add 1 by 3 and 2 1 by 6, or we can say one whole number 1 upon 3 and 2 whole number 1 upon 6. So to multiply these two, I'll convert them to the improper fraction first. So 1 whole number 1 by 3 plus 2 whole number 1 by 6 equal to, converting into improper fraction means 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4 upon 3 plus 6 to the 12 plus 1, 13 upon 6. Now these two are having two different denominators. So first of all, we'll have to make the denominator same. For that, what we can do, we can find the LCM of these two denominators. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2. LCM equal to 3 into 2 is equal to 6. That means we have to make the denominator of these two numbers as 6. Now let me tell you another shorter method by which you can do. Otherwise, you'll have to multiply this with this, this with 2, this with 2, like that. Another method, another way of doing this, the same thing. Whatever is the LCM, just write the LCM like this. Whatever it is. Now, what you do, you divide this LCM or this number by this denominator. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. So you have got 2, multiply that 2 with 4, 3 to 2, you have divided 6 by 3, you got 2, and then you multiply this 2 with this numerator plus, now you divide this 6 by this 6, you get 1, and then you multiply this with numerator, that is 13. So you get 8 plus 13 upon 6. 13 plus 8 is 21 upon 6. Now this is an improper fraction. To give the final answer, you need to convert it into a mixed number. So what you'll do, you will divide 6 by 21 by 6. So 6 3s are 18. The question will come here. The remainder is 3. So this will come here. So 1 whole number 1 by 3 plus 2 whole number 1 by 6 is equal to 3 whole number 3 by 6. This is the final answer. Now let us take another example. Another example is 3. We have to add 3, 1 whole number 1 by 2 and 1 whole number 4 by 5. So this is a whole number. This is 1 whole number 1 by 2 and this is 1 whole number 4 by 5. So how we will be adding? What we'll do, these two are the fractions. We'll add them as the way, and then we'll consider this whole number. We can always consider any number, any whole number as fraction by just putting 1 in the denominator. So our question will become 3 plus 1 whole number 1 by 2 plus 1 whole number 4 by 5. Now after this, I can consider this as 3 upon 1. The denominator can be considered as 1 in any number, with any number. Plus, let's convert it into an improper fraction. So 2 into 1, 2 ones are 2, plus 1, 3 by 2, plus 5 ones are 5, plus 4, 9 by 5. Now this is, these are the three fractions which we need to add. For adding the fractions, we need to find the LCM of the denominators. So three denominators are these. Let's 1 ones are 1, 2, 5, 2 ones are 2, 5, and 5, 1, 1, 5. So LCM would be 1 into 2 into 5, that is 10. So what we need to do, we need to, now the method which I told you, what I'll do, I'll put this LCM over here. Then what I'll do, I'll divide this LCM by the denominator. So 10 divided by 1 is 10, and multiply this numerator plus 2, 10 divided by 2, 2 5s are 10, multiply this numerator. 5, dividing 10 by 5, 5 2s are 10, and multiply this numerator. So 10 3s are 30, plus 5 3s are 15, plus 2 9s are 18, divide by 10. Now, if I have to add 30 plus 15 plus 18, if you are good at adding quickly, 8 and 5, 13 plus 0, 13, 3, 4, 3, 1 carry, 3, 1 plus 4, plus 1, plus 1. So let me show you for all those who are not very quick in addition. 8 and 5, 13 to 3, 1 carry, 3 plus 1, 4, plus 1, 5, plus 1, 6, 63. So 63 upon 10 is the fraction, but this is an improper fraction. This is an improper fraction. So to convert it into a proper fraction, I have to divide this. So 10, 6 is 30, right? 10, 6 is 30, so remainder is 3. 10, 6 is 60, so remainder is 3. So this is how the answer would be this. So addition of 3, 1 whole number 1 by 2, 1 whole number 4 by 5, the final answer is 6 whole number 3 by 10. Right? So this is the method. Now let's take another question, another example where we have to add 1 whole number 1 by 3, 2 whole number 1 by 4, and 3 whole number 1 by 3. These three mixed numbers. So again the method is 1 whole number 1 by 3 plus 2 whole number 1 by 4 plus 3 whole number 1 by 3 equal to, let's convert them to improper fraction. 3 into 1, 3, plus 1, 4 upon 3, plus 4 to the 8, plus 1, 9 upon 4, 3 3 is 9, plus 1, 10 upon 3. Once we have done this, now we need to find the LCM of these three denominators. 3, 4, 3, 3 ones are 3, 4, 3 ones are 3, 4, 1, 1, 1. LCM is equal to 3 into 4, 3 into 4, which is 12. So what we'll do, we'll write 12 like this. Then what we'll do, we'll divide this 12 by this denominator. 3 4s are 12, and multiply this with this numerator, plus 4 3s are 12, multiply this with this numerator, plus 3 4s are 12, multiply with this numerator. So 4 4 is 16 plus 3 9 is 27 plus 4 10 is 40 divided by 12. Now need to add these three. Quickly we can add like this. If you can't do it, 6 and 7 13, 3 1 carry, 1 and 1 2 or 2 4 or 4 8 83. So the answer is 83 upon 12. So what we'll do, we will simply convert it into mixed number. So I hope you know the table of 12. So 12 12 5 60, 12 6 is 72, and then 12 7 is 84. So 84 is greater than this. 12 6 is 72. Remainder is, if you do not know, you can do like this. 12 6 is 72. Then 1 1 11. So 11 is the. But I'll advise that this should be on tapes. Tables till 20 should always be on tapes, so that these kind of small numbers can be calculated quickly. So this is how these three mixed numbers, 1 whole number 1 by 3, 2 whole number 1 by 4, 3 whole number 1 by 3, if we have to add them, the final answer is 6 whole number 11 by 12. That's it. So what we have learned today, we have learned three things today. We have learned the addition of like fractions, we have learned the addition of unlike fractions, we have learned the addition of mixed numbers. Once again, I'll tell you, wherever you find it difficult to understand, you simply need to put your comment in the comment area and ask me the question. I'll further explain that particular point. Or even if you are finding it difficult to solve a particular question given in your book, you simply click the photograph of that question or type that question in the comment area and send it to me. I will be able to solve it for you, or I'll be answering it there only in the comment. That is how we can work, so that I can help you. If you are visiting the channel and you have still not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe it, press the bell icon so you get the notification for all those videos which will be uploaded further. Thank you very much.